Good day, I am Carl Kenneth Bistal, and this is my reflection for Lesson 3, Spiritual Self. Through this lesson, I realized that the spiritual self is not about religion, but about my inner values, my purpose, and how I connect with sometimes greater than myself. It's helped me understand that spirituality guide my decision, strengthens my characters, and give meaning to about challenge I face. I also learned that taking time for silence, in reflection, and gratitude allow me to listen to my inner voice. When I become more aware, spirit, self, I feel more grounded, hopeful. I focus on my what truly matter. This lesson remind me that spiritual growth is a personal journey. Is it about becoming kinder, more compassionate, and more connected to myself, to others, and to my world.